So, good morning. At ayan, pupunta na tayo ng gym. So, ang ganda ng titanium. Nagbublue talaga siya, oh. Galing. So, nakapagpalit na tayo ng headers. Mamaya re-review natin yan. So, ngayon punta lang muna tayo ng gym. Let's go, samahan nyo akong pumunta ng muscle pit. Tara, let's go, samahan nyo akong pumunta ng punta ng Pit Fad, dyan lang sa may kanto, dyan sa may Vista Mall. So let's go, workout muna tayo, and then testing din natin itong bike. Bye bye bye. So iba talaga experience ng ng sports bike compare mo sa naked. Naninibago na naman ako ng upo. Sarap niyang patakbuhin ngayon. Ang layo ng ko. Adjust nga natin. Yan. Morning. Ito ba siya, no? Ayun, no? Nabigay natin kay ma'am yung yung kanyang jersey na order. Shoutout muna kay Claire. Shoutout kay Boss Claire. Teka, bigyan natin yung jersey niya. Ako na. May baon talaga ako ba? Thank you. Hindi ma'am, testing mo muna kung kasya. Small yan eh. Ha? Pasukat mo muna kung kasya. Small. Thank you rito, ha. Okay lang, sus. Tsaka na tayo magchikahan. Tsaka na tayo magchikahan. Bye bye, bye bye. Ingat, ingat. Workout muna ako. Work muna, work. Ingat tayo, ingat, ingat. Bye bye. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. So tara, let's go. Punta na tayo ng Pit Fad. Nakapanibago yung seating position. Grabe, solid siya manakbo ngayon. Nakapanibago yung seating position ng sports bike talaga. Talagang sports bike. So tara, day 8 tayo ngayon. Day 8 tayo ng workout natin dito sa Fit Fad. Let's go, workout tayo ng arms day. So arms day consist of bicep, tricep lang. So let's go. Nakakapanibago pa. Mamaya na natin anuhin muna natin, ano tawag doon, damdamin muna natin ang sports bike. Naninibago ako. Sarap. So we're here, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pit Fad, dito sa may taas ng Vista Mall. Well, as you can see, kompleto naman yung gamit, no? From dumbbell up to 80 pounds. Tapos meron tayong flat bench, incline bench, mga flat benches, seated. Meron tayong cable crossover, preacher curve, set ng barbell. So kompleto rito. So at the same time, ito kasi pinakamalapit sa bahay, nasa kanto lang to ng subdivision. So kompleto, may T-bar, meron pan chest, pwedeng shoulder, lat pull down, fake deck. Meron tayong seated leg extension, seated leg curl, meron tayong abduction machine. So area for Zumba or Pilates or whatsoever. And then meron tayong seated calf raise, seated chest. Tapos pwede siyang pambak, pwedeng pambak, Smith machine, leg press na pwedeng hack squat. And then meron tayo para sa glute, dip machine, shoutout kay Kapimoto, hyperextension. And then para sa cardio, meron tayong stationary bike and treadmills. Kalimutan ko tawag dito. Yun, basta kompleto, halos kompleto. At the same time, ang pinakamasarap dito, ang laki-laki ng space niya. As you can see, sobrang laki ng space. Shoutout ulit kay Kapimoto. So ang laki ng space, kompleto, naka-aircon. Pero ang pinaka-the best dito na nagustuhan ko, libre yung kape. Kasi nga, kape moto. So pre yung kape nila, no? Sobrang solid. And then solid yung gamit, solid yung kape. And then may locker, may shower room, pwede kang mag-shower. Pwede kang lahat pwede mong gawin doon sa shower room. Pwede ka lang talaga mag-shower doon, no? Wala nang iba pa. So ayan, kumpleto gamit. So pang-6 na araw ko na or 7 days ko na ngayon. So actually nakiusap lang ako na hinaan yung sounds para mapakita natin sa inyo yung gym kung saan tayo nagwo-workout ngayon. Ito ngayon yung aking bagong playground. So dumbbell, dati nung bata-bata pa nag-request tayo up to 50 kg, pero ngayon okay na yan. So yun, and then mababait yung stop nila. So yun, yun, nakikita nyo yung gym. Katatapos ko rin lang mag-workout kaya hinihingal ako. So ito lahat yung gamit. And parang sabi nila by December 7 magkakaroon pa ng ibang gamit o may idadagdag pa yung gamit kasi malaki pa yung space doon. So tingnan natin, update ko na lang kayo. And then visit kayo rito sa sa Pitpad sa may Vista Mall, Tansa. Sobrang solid dito. Hindi ko lang alam pa yung yung mode of payment. So yun lang. So maraming salamat and tapos na tayo mag-workout. Bye everyone and God bless po sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye.
Let me tell you something. The gym will change you physically, mentally, and for the rest of your life. But here's the truth. There's nothing easy about it. It's hard. It will push you to your limits. It will make you want to quit, and it will do it over and over again. You will not transform in one day, not in 1 month, not even in 1 year, because the gym is not a short-term commitment, it's forever. Every time you step inside, you face a choice. Stay comfortable or grow stronger. The weights will not lie to you. They will tell you exactly how much effort you gave, and they will demand more tomorrow. The gym doesn't care how much money you have. It doesn't care how popular you are. It only cares about the work you put in. Many will give up when it gets hard. They will walk away when the results take too long. But if you stay, if you keep going, you will earn something they never will. Because the gym is more than muscle. It's discipline. It's patience. It's showing up when nobody's watching. It's doing the work when nobody believes in you. Over the years, your body will change. The numbers on the bar may rise and fall, but the mindset you build, the resilience you create, that stays for life. So remember this is not a trend. This is not a phase. This is a way of life. The gym is forever. Now get up, get out there, and make every rep count. Because the only thing standing between you and greatness is the work you're willing to do today. Go to the gym, make it count, and own your forever.
So, what's up? At pauwi na tayo. Katatapos lang natin mag-workout sa pit pad dyan sa taas ng Vista Mall. So, ito na yung bago nating CX-10R. Ganda nung nung titanium, nagkukulay blue, pero mamaya na natin mamaya na natin re-review. So, uwi na tayo. Na, 12:34. Ganda ng tunog. Gumanda siya, luminis na. So solid na siya. Mas maganda siya ngayon kaya compare mo sa dati. So maganda rin yung kulay. Pero gusto ko na umuwi kasi alas 12 na. Natutrom Jones na ako. Okay, let's go. Uwi na tayo. So yan, gusto ko lang muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng sponsor natin, no? Especially FGDM Advertising, kay Boss Edwin, tsaka kay Ma'am Melanie. Get well soon. Medyo masama raw ang pakiramdam ng mag-asawa. So get well soon sa inyo. Premium Gear kay Boss Alan, yan. Maraming salamat sa jersey natin, no? Available yan sa TikTok tsaka sa Shopee. So search nyo lang yung Premium Gear and then hanapin nyo yung ating mga merge. Meron tayong hoodie, yung version 1, version 2 yung hoodie. Yan, available lahat yan sa ating Shopee tsaka TikTok page. So yan, maraming salamat. At uuwi na ako. Ako'y nagugutom na. Bye bye everyone and God bless.